Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Help Club. Today we will discuss about administrative access on FortiGate Firewall. So administrative access on FortiGate Firewall allows you to control which methods, for example HTTPS, SSH, Telnet, ping, etc. are used for device management, improving security. So it also helps prevent unauthorized access by restricting management access to specific interfaces. And this should be done when setting the IP addresses for each port to ensure secure and limited access. So let me show you how you can configure the administrative access on the interface. So let's start. So this is my FortiGate Firewall GUI access. So for administrative access, you have to click any interfaces. So I have taken, so this is my topology. I have taken this FortiGate Firewall GUI access through port 1. So I am opening here port 1 so that I can give multiple administrative access from this port. So let's scroll down here. You can see administrative access. We have HTTPS, HTTP, ping, FMG access, SSH, SNMP, FTM, radius, fabric, speed test, and one more is there, Telnet, which is not here in the administrative access as of now, because from the new version they have removed that feature because of the insecurity, and they don't want to be accessed this firewall through the Telnet protocol. But we can enable, if there is a requirement or your organization want to enable it, you can enable it through the CLI access. So let's discuss one by one. So what is HTTP access? So this allows secure HTTPS connection to the FortiGate GUI. So here you can see I am in the GUI interface of the FortiGate firewall, but I have taken this access through the HTTP, which is not secure. Here you can see at the top, this is not secure, right? So not secure, and this is HTTP. But in the real world or the production, you have to use HTTPS, which is the secure version. We are not using HTTP, that is not recommended, that is insecure version. So these two used to take GUI access of the FortiGate firewall. And ping is used basically to test the connection which respond to your ping request. If you want your interface should respond to any ping request, you have to enable this ping access from here. This FMG access is used to set up or to make a connection between your FortiManager and your FortiGate firewall. If there is a FortiManager in your organization and controlling the multiple FortiGate firewalls through your fabric, then you have to enable this FortiManager access on the interface so that all the policies or all the features can pushed through the FortiManager itself. You don't need to log in again and again on the FortiGate individually. We have a centralized control manager through which we can control all the available or all the connected FortiGate firewall through the one go. And SSH, as I said, this is used for the secure connection. If you want to take CLI access in a secure connection, then you have to enable this SSH. And we have another option, Telnet, which I will show you at the end how you can enable through the CLI. And SNMP, if there is a SNMP server or a manager and want to monitor your FortiGate firewall, then you have to enable this simple network management protocol to make it or to set up a communication for the SNMP requests to SNMP server or manager. And this is 40 token mobile push access. If there is some VPN connection and wants to connect through the VPN to FortiGate firewall, then there is a FortiGate token mobile push protocol which generate a token, which is an application that runs on Android and iOS device. So through this token you can authenticate your network and directly set up a communication to this FortiGate firewall and can access this firewall. And this is the radius accounting, when you want to some AAA kind of authentication, then this radius accounting comes in the picture. You have to enable this option here. And this security fabric, which allows the security fabric access to the firewall. And at the end, speed test, which allows the interface to listen to the speed test sender request. So speed test runs basically from the hub to spoke in the dial-up IPsec tunnels. So these are the features you can enable and disable under the administrative access. Okay, so let me show you let me show you the ping. First of all, the ping test. So I am here through this IP 192.168.11.130. so let me ping it through my CMD. Ping 192.168.111.130. let me ping continuous. So here you can see I am able to ping it, right? But let me disable this ping and click here OK. So, OK. Now you will see ping gets stopped. You will not see ping response here, right? So let me enable it again. Hit OK. OK. And now you will see ping will work after some time. And here we go. So you can see my ping is working now, right? And similarly, if you want to test SSH, then let me log in through PuTTY 192.168.111.130 and hit OK. And here you can see I'm able to access it, right, through the PuTTY. So which is my secure connection, and I am in the firewall right now, right? And let me disable this option and hit OK. OK. Okay. So I have disabled it. Now you can see my PuTTY is inactive. Now I cannot access the firewall, right? So this is disabled. Let me open the duplicate session. Here you can see I'm not getting a login option here. So that means the SSH connection is disabled now. So let me re-enable it. Click here SSH, hit OK and OK. Now hit enter, or maybe you can open duplicate session. Here you go. You can see admin and password, and I am in the firewall now, right? So by this way we can enable and disable our CLI access through this administrative access. And now let me show you how I can enable the Telnet through the CLI. So let me open this firewall in CLI. So this is my firewall, show system interface. So you can see I have taken geo access through this interface. So I have to enable Telnet on this interface, port 1. So go to the config mode, config system interface, edit port 1, hit enter and set allow access HTTP, HTTPS and okay. Let me show you how many types of access you can allow. Hit question mark here and you can see there are multiple options. So all options are available on the GUI interface, but Telnet is not visible there, right? So I'm going to enable the Telnet through this CLI interface. So Telnet HTTP HTTPS and ping, hit enter, and until unless you will not hit end, this will not going to save here. So you can see still it's showing the old options are enabled, but let me hit the end command here. That's it, it's saved now, and refresh it. You will see the telnet is here, which is enabled now, and also these two protocols, telnet and HTTP, are not secure and not recommended. So that will highlight it automatically in red in interfaces. So go to interfaces here, and you will see here these two are already highlighted in the red color. So that is because of these are not secure. So that is it for today in the administrative access section. If you have still any doubt in administrative access, how you can configure, or any queries regarding the available options, you can ask me, write down me a comment. I am very happy to help you guys. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.